No. Back at it, man. We just made it back to the city yesterday. Today's Monday, got a whole new day. So, gotta get back to everything. Got a lot of shoes and go ahead and take these bars for that Roadking to the shop. I also got the wheels for the Road Glide, 2018 one. Got that good 23 up in there. Got that back 18. So these definitely are gonna look nice with that root beer effect on that Road Glide. So we just dropped the RV off. Got it disconnected, just going over everything. But it's super hot. It's about, we'll take the boat out, but I'ma just wait. I wanna really get that interior done. Yeah, we got this thing put up. Jet ski next. Just put up our Lake Elsinore. Got the ski already in the water. About to slide. There it is. Said no. Slide, no. Definitely was a cool ride. It's out here raining right now. About to put the jet ski in the shop. Put that generator up so it don't get wet. Stay tuned. Slide. We just pulled back in the shop. Haven't been here in a minute. So we're trying to get everything organized and back to normal. So moving these bikes around, but got a lot of little pieces. I'm gonna take this back home, get this out the way, make some space for this jet ski and everything else, so stay tuned. So for show, we just got everything lined up. I'm sweating hot in here, but got these bikes looking like some gems in this joint, man. I'm getting it going. So stay tuned. I'm about to finish cleaning up, so y'all see it, see what's going on. Start from back here. Boy, have to do the most. This is going out of here. Wait on this damn lever to come from my boy dirt bike I was using, so I can get that back to him. But I'm about to tell this to the frame doctor this week, so stay tuned. When it got the wheels right here, 23 and the 18 for the Road Glide right here. It's gonna look good. My boy brought me the gas tank. I have the back fender, the bags, side panels, everything now. So this thing is going to be on the road, but we sliding and getting it in. I have to just go over everything, man. Super, super cluttered, but we good now. Getting it going. And swapped out the headlight I had for the bike. This thing is looking good. It's looking a lot much better than that chrome because everything on the bike is blacked out, so that looks a lot much better. So yeah, man, got this thing going. It's looking better and better every time, man. We slide, I know y'all see what's going on. So we're about to go ahead and slide out. About to go ahead to the crib, wash this joint down. Get a ride in this joint. wires and the hand controls. I'm about to solder everything up, so stay tuned. Okay, so it looks kind of crazy with wires everywhere. So we went through the pack. We separated all the wires. These are the ones for the left side. These are all the ones for the right side. So these are the connectors. What I like to do is I measure it on the bar. So I measure this from the actual hole right here. It goes down, stops here. So the wire length is perfect from right here to going through there and coming out. So now we got that set and ordered. We're going to cut the connectors off, basically put this and substitute it in the middle and extend the wires. And then once we extend it, we'll wire the bars through and then connect the connectors last. So let's get to it and get on it. We're gonna start with cutting these connectors off. I like to give it a good amount of space. So like I would probably cut it, I'll say like right there. You just want it to be enough. When you got power connected, you never really want to cut these together. Just do it one by one. But like I said, getting it going. All right, so boom. Now we got both of the connectors off of here. I'll put this to the side. Got those over there. Let me straighten this up a little bit. So we're gonna start with this one. Start with this one over here first. Smooth this all out the way. Got these wires for that one. So let's get it. Extensions. It's actual cable. This is the right one, I mean. So now we're about to trim the edge. We got our solder, and this is our solder gun right here. Now you will need a wet towel, and I like to get a little piece of wood to basically let the weld even itself out on the wires, or flatten it out, I say. So we can go ahead and get that. And always remember, you got to let this warm up. Like cut it on this red, then after it get hot enough, it's gonna go green. But we're gonna let that sit there and get warm enough, and then we can get everything else going. Ahead and got the first hand control done. Got all the wires right here soldered nice and skinny. So now we're going to tape all this back up. Got one side completely done. So y'all see it. You'll see how little these are. But we're about to go ahead and clean them up, so stay tuned. So what I do is to fish it through, I get a shoestring with a bolt. Put that bolt on there, drop it in there, pull it right out. You see how that's pulling? Then I'm gonna pull it from here. You see how that's pulling? So now what I'm gonna do is stick this in here as I tape it to the string and push it and pull at the same time to make it easy. So let's do that. So basically I just redid the bars. I had it done, but when I put them through the handlebars, it wasn't long enough. So I had to cut and add more. But yeah, I have to add more. So I'm about to go ahead and redo it now to cover these wires up and throw it back in the handlebars. So we got it out. We got it all the way in. We went and pulled it through. I told you guys to do it with a piece of shoestring with a bolt. So the bolt and the shoestring is taped up right here as I pulled it through. We got the head control all the way through, and there's a perfect length now that comes out. Now we're just gonna put the connector back on here to the wires. We just went ahead and finished one side, the right side connectors. These are both right here. I just taped it all up, got it covered up. So it's looking good. Got the hand control in there. Now we're about to do this. Stay tuned, about to get it. Now we just finished soldering the wires. I have to put them together. Now I'm about to tape them together like I did these ones. We got all 4 connectors with both hand controls in there. So we're looking good. So let's finish it off. So this is the finished product right here. We got both side hand controls. And we got all 4 connectors. These are the 06 style, the 2012 and up. 2012 ones are bigger. Then 14 and up is super small. So we got it going. These are Cordova pullbacks. Once again, going on a 2006 Roadking. Even though it has the electric cut, these still work for throttle by cable. You know what that is? That is the throttle cables that go right here to the side. Not electric. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned some. You got any questions or comments? Feel free to comment, like, comment, and subscribe. So please let me know. But thanks for watching. We slide.